Prime Minister Stephen King says the region's ties to the Canadian banking sector are keeping it safe for now. The Prime Minister was speaking following his recent attendance at the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank Monetary Council meeting in St. Kitts. Stephen King says the region is weathering the global financial meltdown thus far.
Predominantly, we are a banking community influenced by the Canadian banking system. The benefit of this is that the Canadian banking system has been rated as #1 in the international economic society. So in all of that is happening around the world, in the United States and Britain, throughout the hemisphere, the Canadian system has remained solid. And therefore, as a result, our banking system is standing very solid.
The Prime Minister is also speaking about the local banking sector. He says financial institutions like the Bank of St. Lucia are thriving despite the global climate.
The Bank of St. Lucia has been able to maintain itself, and they too have been able to record or to demonstrate that the global financial situation has not affected them, at least for now. In terms of the investment and the exposure of the bank, our own investigations reveal that the bank is not exposed in any major way.
The Monetary Council will not change the ECCB interest rates. Prime Minister King says the bank wants to maintain control over interest rates during these economic times.
The idea of the interest rates within the region came to bear as to whether the bank should lower interest rates or whether the bank should indeed just ameliorate the whole interest rate system to allow it to float as it wishes. But the bank decided that this is the time for us to hold strain and to keep the rates as they are, and to ensure that we maintain control of the market at this time.
The finance ministers also made 2 policy recommendations during their 63rd meeting: the Payment Systems Act and a commitment to the implementation of the single regulatory unit by December 2008. Carmi Joseph, HTS News, Channel 4.